Vision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, the snow event had a lot of banding features with it. Call it mesoscale banding. And if you get underneath one of these bands of very heavy snow that was pivoting up from the southeast, you really got dumped on. Notice this band down here, down near Frankfort, Crawfordsville, and Kirkland. Some places got up to 6.5 inches down there near Ladoga. Another little band that kind of set up here in northern Miami County. A band right through Fulton and parts of Cass County. And then notice this one from Winamac all the way down through Montmorency, West Lafayette, and down towards Attica. Tyler Snyder had 4 inches, measured 4 here at the station. And then Ben and Wolcott had 3 inches, but outside of the band, Marianne had 1.5 inches. So it varied kind of widely, but certainly the heavier totals down here in our southeastern counties. You can see how it varied in Tippecanoe County. Here we are at the station, 4 inches. Had a report of 4 out to the west of Klondike, 4 out there at Tyler's house. But notice the 5.5 east of Clarks Hill. And then I got an email from Austin Stanifer, which is verified by Doppler radar here. Notice the 2.5 inches there. So quite a variation of snowfall across Tippecanoe County. A lot down to the southeast, a little less in the city of Lafayette. You head it towards West Lafayette and Montmorency. Quite a bit more as those little bands set up kind of like summer thunderstorms in the viewing area. Today we've had a lot of wind gusts up to 32 miles an hour. Rochester, we had a peak gust here at the station of 36 and a 45-mile-per-hour wind gust blowing that snow around at Frankfort. And temperatures now upper 20s to right around 30 degrees, but wind chills much lower. The winds still kind of gusty out there. We've had a peak gust here past hour to 29 at the station and 28 at Monticello. So notice here the storm is pulling away. One last little band in our western counties, a little bit in our northeast. That's going to end soon. Still a lot of cloud cover to the west, so it'll still be kind of a cloudy night, but I do expect some clearing tomorrow. The wind will gradually diminish around here, though it's still going to be a little bit blustery tonight, and that'll be enough to cause some blowing and drifting. And then we got to watch the snow potential Friday night into Saturday morning. The wind trend tonight, though, notice the gusts still up there, 27 miles an hour midnight, 22 miles an hour at 4 a.m. So that's still going to cause blowing and drifting on area roadways, and temperatures will drop into the lower 20s, but the wind chills, check this out, the wind chills is the red line, around 9 or 10 degrees, and that's right up to early tomorrow morning. We'll get some sun tomorrow, not as much wind, and highs in the 20s, 27 Burlington, 28 at Lafayette, and 28 Remington, down to Fowler. That sun will look and feel good, and you can see the clouds slowly clearing out tomorrow. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I think we'll see increasing sunshine through the day. And then we track increasing clouds on Friday, and once we get into late Friday night, Saturday morning, here we go. Futurecast painting some blues, some snow could start to move in. There's the current storm departing. This spin right here, though, that's the next one. A lot of questions about this. Right now, it kind of looks like a minor snowfall accumulation event, but there's still a lot of unanswered questions as to whether the elements will come together for accumulating snow. So we've got to keep a close eye on it. The potential does exist for us, at least some minor snowfall accumulation. Again, that's late Friday night, Saturday morning. 23 Sunday, 9 Monday morning, perhaps a little more snow on Tuesday with 29, and we stay in the 20s, 26 by Wednesday. So the average high is 34, average low 17. We're below normal for a change, and what looks more typical for late December and early January around here when you compare it to last year.
Yeah, and we were just talking here on the set during your presentation there that it's been about 2 years since we've had this kind of weather.
Yeah, last winter wasn't bad, but the winter before that was pretty rough, so we're kind of playing catch up.
Yeah, all right. Thank you, Chad.
Sure.
Well, those planning on attending the Pacers game tonight, well, they're making some different plans.
Yeah, and guess what? It is weather related, not the only event to tell you about that's been affected by the weather, at least sports-wise.